Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to Dishes Ajam. Today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a marble cake. It's so simple to do it. I'll show you how to do it. I'm using the self-raising flour from Ajab. I hope you'll enjoy it. Let's get cooking. So for the ingredients we have, start with the margarine. It's 112 grams. Sugar is 175 grams. Cocoa powder, about 3 tablespoons. We have 2 eggs. We have half a cup of milk and 175 grams of self-raising flour. So the first thing you want to do is add the butter and sugar together and then mix. So in case you want to make a bigger cake, all you need to do is multiply the ingredients by 2. So after the margarine and sugar is mixed, add the eggs. If you have vanilla essence or extract, you can also add it. You should have a weighing scale because when weighing the ingredients, it gives you an accurate results every time. And then add the milk. Now when you have a hand mixer, whether it's the electric one or a different one, it makes it easier. Even having a whisk like this one will also do the trick. So mixture is ready. All that is left is to place it in a baking tin. What I usually like doing is adding the vanilla one first. And what I'm going to do is add it in 3 points. So that's 1 point. And what I'm also doing is trying to approximate the mixture to be about half. Now to this mixture that is left, I'm going to add cocoa powder. Now the amount of cocoa is actually dependent on how much chocolate flavor you want with your cake. Now I usually get this question, what if I'm using drinking chocolate? Now when you're using drinking chocolate, it has sugar and it doesn't have enough quantity of cocoa to use in a cake. So the mixture does not have to be equal, half. What is important is to make sure that now you distribute it evenly together with the other mixture. And then after adding it in batches like that, mix it, but don't over mix it. So I'll put this in the oven and then we'll see how it looks on the inside when it's ready. So there is the cake. And usually at the center is where it takes more time to get ready. The edges, as you can see, they are smaller, so this side will cook faster than this main side. The cracks is natural for a cake to crack. So the amount of cocoa now, that's what I was saying, it depends on how much chocolate or cocoa flavor you want. So the darker it gets, the more the flavor, and this is perfect. So I hope you've learned something new and I hope you are enjoying this series of Dishes Ajab. Today we were using the self-raising flour to make the marble cake. And until next time, I'm signing out. I'm Chef Raphael.